Hi guys, so a lot of changes have been happening on Meta platform, especially when it has to do with disabled assets on Facebook or on Instagram. We've been noticing that most appeal has to be done while you are logged in on your account. So this is the changes we've been experiencing. Recently, I helped a client recover his disabled Facebook account, and guess what? Everything was done while his Facebook account was logged in on the browser or mobile app. So for his case, it was done on a laptop. Firstly, we had to log in his account, and then we made the appeal to Facebook. So this video was made to let you understand what is actually working now and what are your options in case one fails. So for the Facebook, currently the only or the best way for you to appeal for a disabled Facebook account is through a previously logged in device, or you have to re-log in your account on a new device, maybe on your web browser or on the mobile app. Then you could continue the login process. So I'm going to tell you what exactly we did for this one. After the whole login process, Facebook only asked us to submit a selfie photo of our client, and that was it. The account was opened within the next 48 hours. So it was really an amazing experience. Just in case you're still having delay, I'm going to tell you what we did step by step. First, clear the cache or the browsing history or data of that browser you're using. Then you could re-log in the account from scratch and follow the on-screen instruction to make a successful appeal. Okay, so take note. Also, keep your government-issued ID card handy. Facebook might require that, but for our client's own case, they only ask for a selfie. But in your own case, they might ask for that. So ensure your valid government-issued ID is handy. Also, for those of you whose account is not disabled or you don't have any issue, I would strongly recommend that you use your full name on Facebook. In cases whereby you have an appeal to do and Facebook needs you to verify your identity, they could see that the name you're answering on Facebook matches what is on your valid government ID card. So this would also increase the chances of you getting back your account. Now, if you need any further clarification, feel free to reach out to us, book a consultation, and one of our experts will be glad to help you. Also, check out other relevant videos. So see you guys in our next video, and bye for now.